Welcome to video 2, how your credit impacts your everyday life. You may not think about it, or you may not even know that your credit rating has an impact on your finances every day. Car loans, car insurance, cell phones, utilities, securing a job, or getting that promotion. And definitely if you are still paying rent because of bad credit. So let's talk about car loans first. Let's talk about some facts that almost half of all Americans over the age of 18 are financing a vehicle. We owe over $1.2 trillion in auto loan debt. As of 2020, the average new car costs $32,000 and just over $20,000 for a pre-owned. New vehicle payments are an average of $550 a month, and used cars average $393 a month. What so many people do not realize is how much a high interest rate loan is costing them. So first, let's just break that down. Here is a comparison of a vehicle with good credit versus subpar credit. Here, you have two people buying the exact same car but with different credit ratings. Both candidates are purchasing a Toyota Camry with a total finance amount of $23,000 for the exact same term of 66 months. Person A has a credit rating of 730, while person B has a credit rating of 599. The person A will qualify for a 1.99% interest rate, which makes their monthly payment $368 a month. Person B receives a 14.99% interest rate, which makes their monthly payment $513 a month. Person B is paying $150 more each month for the same vehicle. That's almost $2,000 more a year. What's worse, person A pays the bank a total of $1,300 in interest over the course of that loan, but person B pays back almost $11,000. And you wonder why banks have big fancy buildings? These banks are making money hand over fist off of good, hardworking people just based off their credit rating. Even scarier than that, this is just based off of a 14.99% interest rate. Many finance companies and buy here, pay here dealerships can charge up to 25% interest. So whether you're planning on buying a vehicle in the near future or you have a current vehicle now, having a good credit rating can put a lot more money in your pocket. If you have a vehicle financed now with a higher interest rate, once your credit score improves with this program, you can refinance that vehicle and save some real dollars. Because if it doesn't make dollars, it doesn't make sense. Did you know that your car insurance premiums also are determined by your credit rating? Yes. In some states, having a credit rating lower than 650 can cost you up to 50% more to have insurance. Don't get me wrong. We personally think this is wrong and a bit of a scam. So you mean to tell me that if I'm 40 years old, I've never had a ticket, I've never been in a wreck, I've never had a claim, but I have to pay more for car insurance each month just because my credit rating isn't A1? Stop it. That ends now. Many people with subpar credit will have to pay bigger deposits for cell phones, utilities, when securing a deposit for rent on an apartment or a house. And while we're on that topic, quit paying rent because of bad credit. All you are doing is financing someone else's retirement plan. Owning a home of your own is an investment. It's like putting money in the bank. Property value has historically always increased in value. Even during the 08-09 financial housing crisis, the homes that lost value have tremendously increased in value and are worth more now than ever. Did you know that 47% of employers are now doing a credit check to determine whether to hire you or to give you that promotion? You already know that credit can have an impact of people who have goals of starting or owning your own business. Credit impacts our lives daily.